make passport size photo in Android phone. Today we'll learn how to make passport size photo in Android phone. It's very easy. Today we will learn about that. Hello everyone, it's me Dipesh Rai. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press in the bell icon. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you'll not get any notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to press in the bell icon also. And if you have any queries, or if you have any suggestion, or if you have any comments, you can give me any types of comments in the comment box. Okay, thank you so much. And today we will learn how to make passport size photo in Android phone. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. First of all, you have to open your Play Store. Yeah, from here you have to search passport size photo. Okay, like this. Then you have to search this one. After that, there is lots of apps in the Android, so but today I am choosing this one. This one is passport photo ID maker studio ID photo editor. This one is published by Yasra Labs and it have 4.8 ratings, and and this application size is 4.8 MB, and this have more than 100k plus downloads. Okay, see, you can see here is lots of positive reviews. So from here you need to install this application. So now I am installing this one. Just wait for a moment. It have 4.79 MB and it's downloading. Okay, just wait for a moment. Yeah, just wait for a moment. It's telling me that passport size photo maker makes photo for passport ID or visa for free. Passport size photo. It's telling that what's new. Make your photo 100% free of cost. No annoying ads. Combined photo is 3 into 5, 4 into 6, or 10 into 15. Print at home or at wall screens. Okay, so I think now this one is already installed. So after this you have to open this one. Okay, yeah, it's telling me that get started. You have to click in get started. From here I'm skipping this one, or you can just click in next photo also. So from here you have to click in new photo, just like this, new photo, and I'm giving the permission for the photo. And from here it's asking the permission for the camera also. Okay, yeah, so after opening your apps, here is two options. One option is gallery and another is camera. Okay, so you have to choose camera. So I'm choosing the camera, and from here I need to so I'm putting my face inside this line. Okay, like this. And now I'm shooting my photo from here. Okay, yeah, it's telling me that start editing. So now I'll start to edit my photo. Okay, so I can rotate it from here, and I can mirror this one from here also. So but it's okay for me. That's why I'm clicking and tapping in the done. So from here there is lots of size available in this app for uh, for the country. Here is lots of country and requirement passport size photograph, but I'm choosing the Australia. This one is 35 into 45 for passport, background color white. Okay, so I'm tapping in I understand it, and it is I can choose this one. It's telling me that head, chin, and it's telling me the size 45 and 35 Okay, so I'm tapping in the done. Okay, now I'm in the last step. Here is lots of options available. One is contrast, brightness, and exposure, saturation, temperature, and I'm increasing some exposure of this photo like this. But If you have a white background, you can make white background in your photo, but here with me, uh, I don't have white background. That's why I'm choosing this one. Okay, from here we need to tap in done. Okay, and there is two option. Okay, we can change the name also, so I'm changing the name. This one is, I think I should do pp size photo. Okay, then from here, okay, from here there is two option. One is jpeg, other is png. You can choose any option, whatever you like, but I'm choosing jpeg. And from here you can increase and decrease the quality of the photo, but I am making it high because in the high it will be good. That's why I'm choosing the high quality. From here I'm tapping it in shape button. That's why I'm tapping the shape, and it's giving me another option, finish. So from here it's already shape. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll meet with you in another video. So if you like my video, do like, share, subscribe, and if you are new in my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.